Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the background from any image completely free and super easy. Here I have a stamp image that I want to paste into my PowerPoint presentation. But as you can see, the image has a solid background and we need to remove it. To remove the background, first open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Next, search for Remove Background. You'll see many free websites that can do this, but in this tutorial, I'm choosing PhotoRoom. Once the website opens, drag your photo into the empty upload area. Wait a few seconds. PhotoRoom will automatically remove the background for you. After it finishes processing, click Download to save the new image. The file will be saved to your Downloads folder. Open the image to check the result. Now your stamp has a clean, transparent background ready to be used in PowerPoint. And that's it. You successfully removed the background from your image for free. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.